What is going on, my peeps? I woke up late. Luckily, I got ready very early, but I did wake up relatively late. I don't like, but yeah, now I gotta go. So I gotta head up to the shop. The shop's about an hour and a half away. So I guess we gotta make up for that. How, you may be asking? I'm gonna plead the fifth. So I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. I'm trying to be a force for good. I don't want to be one of those vloggers that influences you guys to do bad things. But no, I mean, there's no traffic. It's Saturday morning, so it's kind of annoying because I took this class right when this guy had to install the phone and internet. So, I mean, I don't know. Whatever. Regardless, fit check. How we looking? I got my Hermes slides back. I don't want to... Bro, I don't want to flex on you guys too much, okay? But I'm drippy. Guys, don't mind what I'm saying right now. This is one of those times where I'm running on lack of sleep. Yeah, I'm just not 100%. Let's just say that. But it's fine. You gotta get the work done. If I didn't take this class, everything would be, sunshine and rainbows. But no, my buddy signed me up for the class. So he's like, brother, you have to come. I was like, all right, nice. Let me set you up. All right, bro. Oh, I found my mic, by the way. Yeah, it was behind my laptop, which I don't even know how that's possible, but I guess I put it there. But yeah, I mean, anyways, trying to be a force for good. It's an hour and 14 minutes, so I should arrive there. Okay, so, my GPS is saying I'm not even that late. So I'll be there in an hour and 15 minutes, and I gotta get gas, so f*** me. Don't take that serious. But yeah, this is a sacrifice you gotta make sometimes. This year I'm going hard, guys. I told you guys, I'm going hard, whether that be in business and in my own personal development side. I don't know what to expect through this curriculum, right? It's a course. It's an online course, and it's a 2-day course, 12 hours a day, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. I don't know what to expect, to be honest. I don't know what to think about it. I've never gone through something like this, So, who knows? I might gain something out of it that I never knew even was a possibility of gaining something out of it. I don't know. So you gotta sit there and evaluate this stuff. You gotta become better, bro. I don't care what stage and or what level you think you're at, You always have to be improving, always. And that's what I genuinely try to do all the time, whether that be improving, the people that I hang around with, whether that be improving myself with the people that I hang around with, right? Improving my business, improving everything. Always one step. Always the chase for perfection. Although you never will be perfect, you won't. Right? It's that endless pursuit of perfection. You get what I'm saying? And that's how I'm coming at it this year. That's how I've been. For the most part, that's how I've been. But never in the personal development side. Right? I know I could fix some stuff about myself. And the crazy part is, I have the humility to say that, right? So you don't want to find yourself in those scenarios where it's like, oh, you end up thinking that you know everything. Because by that point, you're too far gone. I'll be honest with you. You're too far gone if you start thinking like that, And you can't be one of those people, man. You can't be one of those people that always just thinks, I'm better. I'm this. No. You could always get better, whether that be physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, whatever. You could always get one step better, one step more. So that's how it works. That is how it works, right? Could I vlog the curriculum? No, because it's on Zoom. And if it's the same structure as the other one that I took, I don't think it's very applicable. So, but what I will do is put the camera on for you guys, so So you guys see the Wi-Fi guy while I'm doing my thing. While I'm doing my thing, and then that's how it's gonna go. Right? Yeah, I don't even know what I'm gonna say. Kind of thinking. Ugh. Pause. Sus yawn.
One eternity later.
Alright. What is going on, my beautiful peeps? So, ended up going to the shop. I did not record because the guy that was installing the stuff, he didn't necessarily seem like he wanted to be on camera, so I didn't push it. But phone is installed, internet is installed, cameras are installed. Let me show you. Boom. See that? That's live. So you guys see that? That's one side of the shop. That's where I was sitting. That's where the camera stuff is. And then, alright, whatever. And then, yeah, that's it. So the cameras are installed. I'm going to get that cleaned up. And then that's trash over there. That's more trash on the side. And then that's just more like boxes and shit that we don't need. So all of that stuff is going to be basically thrown out. But yeah, at least one, a couple good things came out of it today. And I was in that class while I was doing it. So yeah, a couple good things came out of it. And the student's going to be happy. And we're going to get the ball rolling on this, Get this new year started off, Get this new year started off correctly. So that's that. I didn't hit the gym today. My diet was horrible today. I had Jersey Mike's, and then I had 2 bags of chips. Off to a good start. A Red Bull. Oh wow, I had M&M's, a protein bar. I just had one of my meal prep foods, and ice cream. I'm not very proud. Okay. But yeah, that's that. So we're doing good. This class, I don't know. Is it as effective as the first class that I attended? I don't necessarily, I don't like this class that much, but it was the first day, so you never know. Tomorrow might be a lot better. You gotta see the positive in it. So, with that being said, my beautiful friends, I'm gonna see you guys probably on Monday because this class is in session again tomorrow. So we're going to see how that goes. We're going to see how everything is, and then we're going to basically take it from there. So I'll keep you guys posted. I'll let you guys know what's going on. And yeah, hopefully we get another shop started by the end of this month. There's one more shop that's in the pipeline. But the landlords are lagging. It's not my team that's lagging. It's, them. But it is what it is. What can you do? There's decades where weeks happen, and there's weeks where decades happen. You never know. I might get another 10 leases tomorrow. So, gonna be crazy. You never know. My life is kind of random. In a good way, though. It's not like, we're taking ridiculous risk or anything of that nature, right? So, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I love y'all. Sorry I couldn't show you some of the stuff. I just didn't want to make the dude feel uncomfortable, Pause on that entire statement right there. But you get my point. So I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you guys posted. I'll tell you what's going on. Obviously, you guys know me, right? You guys know me. We'll see what's going on. And then this week, my wrist is doing better. So hopefully we're going to go boxing again. We're going to kind of get on the routine, the rhythm, the whole cycle going on. So I'll keep you guys posted with all of it. I'll bring you guys along. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this concludes yet another day in the life of an entrepreneur. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And till the next episode, I'll see you. Bye.